In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rig a simple character in Moho from scratch. We'll start inside Moho by creating a fresh project so you have a clean canvas for your character. If you're planning a specific output, set your resolution and frame rate now so the rig behaves consistently later. Keeping things organized early makes the rest of the process smoother and avoids surprises when you start animating. Begin drawing your character using the draw tools like add point, curves, and shapes. Think of each body part as its own simple vector shape: a head, a torso, 2 arms, and 2 legs. Keep the shapes clean and closed with clear fills and strokes. Simple curves deform more predictably, so avoid overly complex outlines. Try to place joints where the shapes will naturally bend, such as elbows, knees, and the neck. As you finish each piece, put it on its own layer. Separate layers for the head, torso, left and right arms, and left and right legs will give you precise control later. Name your layers clearly so you can find them fast. Arrange the stacking order visually, torso behind arms, for example, so the character reads properly before any rigging begins. Now gather those layers inside a bone layer. Think of the bone layer as a container that will hold the skeleton and control all the parts inside it. Drag the body part layers into this bone layer and confirm they're nested correctly. This setup allows bones to influence the artwork without affecting anything outside the rig. With the Add Bone tool, build the skeleton. Start from the torso as your foundation, then create a spine, neck, and head bone. Add upper arm to forearm and thigh to shin for each leg. Keep bones aligned with how the body will move, and make sure parent-child relationships make sense. For example, forearms should be children of upper arms. Bind the artwork to the appropriate bones. For crisp cutout style movement, bind points gives you exact control over which points belong to which bone. For smoother bendy areas like arms or legs, flexi binding can work well because it blends influence across the shape. Check that each part is connected to its intended bone and adjust assignments where needed. Test your rig with the Manipulate Bones tool. Gently rotate and move bones to confirm that joints bend correctly and shapes hold their form. If something looks off, revisit your bindings or tweak bone positions. When you're happy with the results, save your character rig as a project file and consider keeping version saves as you refine it.